To create sub-collections in Shopify, you can follow these steps. Access Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to Products. Click on the Products tab in the Shopify admin menu. Create new collection. Select Collections and then click on the Create Collection button. Add collection details. Enter the title and description for your new collection. This will serve as the main collection. Create sub-collections. Under the Products section, select the products you want to include in the sub-collection. You can either create a new sub-collection by clicking Create New Collection or choose an existing one. Configure sub-collection. Give your sub-collection a title and description. You can also add text to organize your collections. Save changes. Once you've added the products and configured the sub-collection, click Save to finalize your changes. Repeat steps. If you have more sub-collections to create, repeat the process for each one. Organize collections. Arrange your collections and sub-collections as needed to create a logical hierarchy.